Campaigns are an important part of growing your email list. They allow you to nurture, educate, and convert new leads into customers on autopilot by creating a campaign of emails that will send automatically. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a simple yet effective campaign. All right, let's create a campaign so you can send some automated emails once you have a freebie created. So under contacts, you're going to click on campaigns, which is going to take you to your campaigns page. You'll see I have a lot of campaigns created here. You can sort campaigns. I've got it as showing all campaigns. And then in the top right corner, I'm going to add a campaign. So a campaign is going to be multiple emails. So we're going to just say grab or download the free guide. You can type in details, weight loss guide, so that you know what this campaign is. You could say welcome campaign after downloading free weight loss guide. Or you can put whatever detailed description in here, but note that the campaign name, this name is not shown to contacts. Name of campaign shown to contacts. So if you want to have a different internal name, put that on the left if you want it to be different from here. Okay, send by email or text. So you can modify this if you want to send it email only, text only, email and or text, use the context preference. So that can be great. There are some more advanced things you can do here with automations and whatnot, but let's just keep this simple. So we're going to create the campaign, and then it's going to ask me if I want to create my first message. So this is the first email that you're going to send. Download your free guide to weight loss, whatever you want the subject to be. Get things spelled right here. This is just a test. Send message on day 0 means sending immediately. And you can see here it's going to go email or text, send ASAP. You could delay it and say send, 5 minutes later if there was a reason you wanted to delay it. Otherwise, just do ASAP. And then you will say, you will add a message. Clearly I can't type here. You will add your message, and then you can hyperlink. So if you have a link that you want to send, if it's another website page, you can hyperlink it here, or you can upload a file. So you'll click on that, you'll drop your file there, and that will hyperlink it to the free guide or planner or whatever it is that you have. Okay. If it's something like a masterclass and there's a page to watch it, that's when you might use the link there. And then if you have text messages or you're asking them to send to a text to preferred, you can do the same message here, download your free guide, add the link and all of that. Okay. So then we can send a preview to ourselves. We can add another, we can also just save this message, and then we can add another email. So we can add a message here. Can have a second email that you type here. Maybe it's going to go out the very next day. Again, sending it by. When are we sending it? The default time. If your plan allows you to send it at a specific time, you might have that feature. And then you can have your second message in here, and you can add details, changing the font, the colors, adding pictures, all of that. You can put that in here. Again, same with text there, and then save the message. So here you have just a simple 2 emails that are ready to go and connect up to your freebie. So once they opt in to grab your free guide, you're going to connect this campaign to that form so that they can get these emails automatically. So that's how you create the emails and add additional emails. Now to attach your campaign to a free offer, you're going to go into your website and blog, and either on your pages or your landing page, wherever you have this page created with the form, you're going to go into that page. So we have a free consultation template set up here. So I'm going to go into that. Let's say you're offering a free consultation, and when they submit their name and their email, then you want to send them an email to book their call with maybe the email has the link to book the call, or it has your free offering in there. So let's open this up with the edit, then click on settings, and then you'll see here the campaign up in this top section. You can select the campaign that you want to attach to this opt-in. So right now we have the coaching package free consultation, but if you open that up, it will browse all of your campaigns. The one we created here was test 1, so we could select that, and then when they opt in, enter their name and their email and hit the button, they will start receiving those emails. It's as simple as that.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on branding, copy, and design. Want more? Check out this video next.